Hello everyone and welcome to you all in mathematics class here. Yes, and today we are going to study this topic, that is rational numbers. Okay, and here we will study about the rational numbers and positive and negative rational numbers. After that, equivalent rational numbers, then the standard form of the rational numbers, and also we will learn about the addition of rational numbers. Okay, when they have the different denominators and when they have the same denominator in both the cases. Okay, so now let's start here, and you can see the first term is in front of you, that rational numbers. So what we can understand from this is this only, that the numbers in the form of a by b, every number in the form of a by b, where a and b are integers and b is not equal to 0, the denominator b is not equal to 0 here. Okay, and that the number is in the form of a by b. Okay, so such numbers are called the rational numbers. Okay, now next you can see example here, such as 2 by 5, 13 by 20, minus 7 by 15, and 3 by minus 7. So such numbers are called the rational numbers. Okay, you can put the minus sign with numerator or denominator anywhere, but in a standard form we are writing the minus sign above only, and that means at the place of numerator, denominator not. Okay, so these are the examples of rational numbers here. Now we have to understand positive rational numbers. So rational number is said to be positive, you can see here, is said to be positive if its numerator and denominator are either both positive or both negative. In both the cases we can say that the number is positive rational number. For example, here in this you can see 6 by 11, both numerator and denominator are positive here, therefore it is a positive rational number. Now in this you can see in this example that minus 7 by minus 5, here numerator and denominators both are negative, so this they will cancel each other, and at the last it is positive only. Okay, so at the end it is positive only after cutting the minus signs. Okay, so this is minus 7 by minus 5, because both have the same sign, numerators and denominators, so it is a positive rational number. Now the next term is that negative rational number. So a rational number is said to be negative if its numerator and denominators are such that one of them is a positive integer and the other is a negative integer. Okay, that means both don't have the same sign. If numerator is positive, then the denominator is surely it will be negative. Okay, that means the numerator and denominator have the opposite sign, then only you will say the rational number is negative. For example, minus 9 by 11, so this is a negative rational number. Minus 9, that means numerator is negative and the denominator is 11, which is positive. Now in this here 17 by minus 5, so here denominator minus 5 is negative, so this is a negative rational number because they have, that means numerator and denominator have the opposite sign here. Okay, now we have to understand equivalent rational number. So what is this? We can understand from here that two rational numbers are called equivalent if one can be obtained from the other by multiplying or dividing. This is the rule only, that by multiplying or dividing its numerator and denominator both by the same non-zero number. Here this you have to pay attention here, that the numerator and denominator should be multiplied by the same non-zero number. That number should not be 0, because if you will multiply with 0, the numerator and denominator both will become 0 only, which is undefined. Okay, so that you can write here. For example, if you want to find the equivalent rational number of 5 by 8, so you can multiply this 5 and 8 both by 2 here. So 5 into 2 10 and 8 into 2 16 here. So 10 by 16 is the equivalent rational number. Same 5 by 8 then is equals to 5 into 3 by 8 into 3. Here the numerators and denominators are multiplied by 3. So the result is 15 by 24 with the same non-zero number. That means the numerator and denominator you will multiply by the same number. If different number you will use, then it is not the equivalent number. Equivalent we can understand like this, that it is equal only its form is different. Okay, its form is only different. So 5 by 8 is equal to 15 by 24, only its form is different. So now 6 by 24, here division I am doing, that 6 by 24 is equals to 6 divided by 2 and 24 divided by 2. So this will give result 3 by 12, 3 by 12 here. Then here 6 by 24 is divided by 3 now. 6 divided by 3 and 24 divided by 3. So this will come 2 by 8. Okay. So here you will say that this 2 by 8 and 6 by 24 are equivalent rational numbers, because here you are dividing numerators and denominator by same number 3. Okay. Then you have got the equivalent rational number. Now find this equivalent number in this question. You can see in this question that find 3 rational number equivalent to minus 7 by 9. So here minus 7 by 9 has no any common factor, so we will multiply only. That means the numerator and denominators we will multiply by the same number. Okay, then only you will get. So we have that minus 7 by 9 is equals to here multiplied by 2. The numerators minus 7 into 2 and 9 into 2. So you will get this is minus 14 by 18. Then now this time I have multiplied by 3. So minus 7 into 3 by 9 into 3. So this is minus 21 by 27. Okay, next I will multiply by 4 now. Both the numerators and denominator. So minus 7 into 4 by 9 into 4. So this we have got minus 28 by 36. Okay, and these all three numbers are equivalent to minus 7 by 9. Okay, so thus 3 rational numbers equivalent to minus 7 by 9 is minus 14 by 8, minus 21 by 27 and minus 28 by 36. Then now a standard form of a rational number. Standard form of a rational number, you will say what? A rational number a by b is said to be in a standard form if b is positive, means denominator is positive and a and b have no common factor other than 1. A and b have no common factor other than 1. Then it is a standard form, means first condition is denominator should not be negative here. So we can understand that 14 by 9 is a standard form of rational number, because the 14 and 9 do not have any common factor and the denominator is positive. Okay, similarly 3 by 7 is also a standard form of rational number, and 15 by 19 also. 15 by 19 they don't have any common factor and the denominator 19 is positive. Then how to express a number, rational number, in a standard form? Here, in order to express a given rational number in a standard form, we first convert it into a rational number whose denominator is positive. Means first make the denominator positive and then we divide its numerator and denominator by their SCF. Its numerator and denominator by their SCF. Okay, means highest common factor. So in this question we will learn this, that express minus 35 by minus 49 in standard form. Here only you can express this minus 35 by minus 49 in a standard form. Okay, so how you will express that, you can see. The given number is 35 by minus 49. Then its denominator is negative. Its denominator is negative. So we will say that, so we multiply its numerator and denominator by minus 1. Okay, then we will multiply here numerator and denominator by minus 1. So we will got minus 35 by 49. We have got. Okay, now the denominator is positive here because you have multiplied with minus 1. Okay, both the numerator and denominator. Now we will divide by their SCF. So SCF of the denominators here 35 and 49 is 7. So divide both the numbers. We divide its numerator and denominator by 7. Then we will get it is minus 35 divided by 7 by 49 divided by 7. So result is minus 5 by 7. Hence the standard form of minus 35 by 49 is minus 5 by 7 here. This is the standard form. Next, now addition of rational numbers when they have the equal denominator. Case 1 is this only, when the denominators of given numbers are equal. Then if a by b and c by b are two rational numbers, means here you can see their denominator is same. So in this case a by b plus c by b is equals to a plus c divided by b. A plus c divided by b means their numerators, add them and divide the sum by the common denominator, which is b. So for example here, this 7 by 9 plus 5 by 9 is equals to 7 plus 5 divided by 9 here. So this is 12 by 9 means 4 by 3. So add their numerators because their denominator is same. So add the numerators 7 and 5 and divide the sum by the common denominator 9. Okay, so it is 12 by 9 means 4 by 3. So and minus 6 by 13. In this example, their denominator is 13. So minus 6 by 13 plus 4 by 13 is equals to minus 6 plus 4. Their numerators added over here and it is divided by the common denominator 13. So minus 6 plus 4 is minus 2 by 13 here. Now in the other case, when the denominators of given numbers are unequal, then steps here that first take the LCM of the denominators of the given rational numbers. Then step 2, express each of the given numbers with the above LCM as the common denominator. Okay, express each of the given rational number with the above LCM as the common denominator. Then now add the numerators and divide their sum by the common denominator. After converting into its equivalent form where the denominator is the common LCM, where the denominator is same, that is LCM, then only you have to do what? Only add their numerators and divide the sum by common denominator as in the case 1 you have done. Then add this minus 3 by 8 and 5 by 12. So here 8 and 12 have the different denominators. So find the LCM of this 8 and 12. It is 24. Okay. Then minus 3 by 8 is equals to minus 3 by 8 into 3 by 3. Here numerator multiply by 3 and denominator also with 3. So this is minus 9 by 24. Because you have to make the denominator equals to 24. Then here minus 5 by 12 is equals to 5 by 12. 5 into 2 by 12 into 2. So this is here 10 by 24. Okay. Now easily we can add the two numbers minus 9 by 24 and 10 by 24. Okay. Here their denominator is 24, which is same. So you can write that minus 3 by 8 plus 5 by 12 is equals to minus 9 by 24 plus 10 by 24. Here 10 by 24 is equivalent to 5 by 12 and minus 9 by 24 is equivalent to minus 3 by 8. Now this 24 is the common denominator here and add their numerator. So minus 9 plus 10 divided by minus 9 plus 10 here divided by 24. So this is 1 by 24. This is the answer. So that's all students. Now you will revise this nicely, all the topics whatever I have explained here, and try to solve the questions given in the assignments. So thank you all of you and have a nice day.